into the agua. So tiny, so soft, so soft. Alpaca soft. Super cute. Super cute. Super cute. Super cute.
The turtles aren't so bad either.
Yeah, yeah.
No, you can just stay so long here, just flipping them all, going.
Hey, all right, welcome back. We're just got out of the water, and now, oh, we gotta close this. New bodega shed and door. Looks amazing. So yeah, we're just getting ready here. We're gonna slip down the beach, and we're gonna go to our neighbor Scott's house where the turtle sanctuary is, and we got a big release tonight of baby turtles, so should be fun. Haven't done this in a while. It's nice every night you can let go thousands of baby turtles and get them back out there. The sanctuary's amazing, and Scott does the Lord's work. It's unbelievable. So we're gonna we're gonna get out of here. So we'll see you down there. Okay, turtles, 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 tortugas. All right. Got that hung up today, got all these cleaned out and got the bird nests all out of them. That's my new one. That's a new one. I guess when I had guests here back in March, April, both of them broke. They were old and the strings just let go on them. So, couple whips over there. The other one's out front. Slowly migrating a bunch of my boards from Ontario down to here to leave them here now, which is nice. And I won't have to travel with any gear, so it'll be good. But for now, let's go see some turtles. We got other videos here you can watch. There's another video here about the turtles when we were here last year, so make sure you check that one out. And we'll see you down there. Don't laugh, they're practical.
And they were from the dollar store. $5. Unlike Crocs, that cost what? $55?
Sunset time, sunset time. Da-na-nee-nee-nee. E-e-e.
I think the Spanish way of saying me. Also, it's.
Ooh, I don't know.
Oh,
It hasn't come up yet. What? Oh, crap.
it's cleaning up his home.
Crap. Nope, there's a pair. Oh, you can get over here. I just heard him.
Hello, buddy.
I just heard him.
You say
Donde?
¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde?
There he is. Hello, Spain.
Look, water me.
Okay, we're good. Everybody's settled. We're not breaking in. We're not doing anything.
That's right. Hello.
built a little house for a big old iguana.
Oh, really?
But a black one, a good oval.
Oh.
And yeah, we feed him bananas. And, yeah. Look, there's his tail.
Oh, yeah, his tail's
He's
right
inside.
there.
He's inside.
Yeah, that's awesome.
We stick a
That's
piece of
amazing.
bamboo up here with a banana.
Yeah. Oh,
He comes out and just like chomps.
oh, that's amazing.
Here's one that was on the coat.
Is this your bike, Scott? Is that how you get around?
Got that for Andrea for her birthday. Ah, you can go this way.
Oh, wiener.
Here we are. Look at all the nests. Absolutely amazing the work he does here. Absolutely love it. Hola.
We never get tired of this.
No, how could you ever? It's so amazing. I love it.
Everything all numbered, accounted for, how many, the nests, what they bought from poachers, and brought everything back. Absolutely 100% non-profit. Everything is done by Scott and his people here. It is absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Yes. They smell extra fishy today.
What are you doing? Hi. Okay. We'll get them ready. We'll get some baby turtles into the water.